Welcome to Neli's Nook. My name is Neli and today we will do fold with 3 sides. We will do the front and we will do the sides. Either if you have a pictures that is panoramic, you can spread the pictures all over your book, or if you want, you can have a different pattern over here and different on the sides. My book, I picked little book. This one I think has only 288 pages altogether. It should be enough to create the pattern that I am going on. We will need patterns. Usually you will need 3. Well, usually you will need 3 patterns. I have a front pattern over here, which will fit right here on my front of my book, and you need 2 patterns, one for the left and one for the right. On my patterns, if you want to purchase this one, you will see on the patterns that left side has L, right side has R, so it's easy to put them on the places where they need to go. Also, I put both sides on one paper, so I just save a little bit of time for cutting, so I don't have to have 3 sets of paper. Okay, so with this pattern, as with any photo book pattern, you will need to cut the patterns on the strip, whatever the way you like to do it. You cut the patterns on the strips, and then we will fold them. As you can see, both of mine, left and right. Then I will cut it. After I fold it, I will cut it in half, and I will take page by page, and I have both sides at the same time, which is wonderful. Okay, so let me just cut my pages, and I'll get back to you when I'm done cutting. Once we have everything ready, we can start attaching our pieces. I start usually with the sides, and then I put the front in. If you like to do front and then sides, it really doesn't matter. I also, you have 2 ways to attach them. I like them invisible, so what I do, I cut them in the 45-degree corner, or you can do them straight. They will look like this. You will see the line on the top. So if you have it 3-sided, you will see this line on both sides, like you see it over here. And this one is just a straight. You don't have to do 45-degree cut. You can just do straight and have both sides like this. Or if you do 45 degrees, you will not see, this one is a little bit decorated, but you will not see the edges. So what I did on my patterns is I will put a note over here where on which side the 45-degree cut should be if you decide to do that. Okay, So I have left and right. I will cut the strip in half. So I'm working on page number 9, and I have a 45-degree cut on the side, so I will cut it approximately 45 degrees. The other side will be straight because that side will be on the inside of the book. And again, I said on the left side I will use my glue stick. I don't like the glue stick too much because it's a little bit messy and sometimes it wrinkles the page, but this one is a little bit easier on my left side because it's not my best side. And make sure that you push it in, and you have one strip here done. Now on the bottom, again, I have 45-degree cut if you decide to do 45-degree, and that's what we will do. We will cut it here, and on the top of that pattern it will be straight line because it will be again right at the back of the book, like going like this. Okay, so I'll just put 2 pieces of double-sided tape and then put it here. So for my front, just make sure that you don't switch the sides. One bottom has to be on the left, top will be on your right. So what I usually do, and I'll cut it 45 degrees again, both sides. So I'll cut the bottom first, and then I cut the top. So I end up at the top right here, so I don't mess it up. And then I put the tape in there, and make sure that you align it nicely. Watch for that little piece so it doesn't break, and you can see it fits very nicely. Perfect fit. So again, we will take the piece, cut it in half. My left side, 45-degree cut on the bottom, straight cut on the top. And we'll attach it nicely. And again, 45-degree cut on the bottom and straight cut on the top. Now the straight line, front, sorry, and it will be bottom first, 45 degrees, top, 45 degrees, a little bit of double-sided tape, align it nicely, and here we go. It looks pretty. Looks very pretty. My beautiful fold is done. It's a very pretty picture of capital of Czech Republic. It's a golden Prague. It really turned out very nicely. So we have one side, beautiful front, and the other side. So it's a very nice panoramic picture. Turned out very, very nice. I have only 288 pages, so it's more than enough to put the picture together. And what I will do now, I will be decorating the edges, the corners again, so it flows nicely. So I have my paper cutter corners, and I just take it upside down, and I will cut every single corner of the book. So it means that I will be doing over 160 punches here. But at the end, I think especially for the picture like that, it will flow nicely, and it will look nicer than the sharp corners. So I'll show it to you, and then I will do the whole book and show you how it looks. Oh, this one didn't go. Here you go. So you can see this one is nice and round, and here is sharp corner. So let's finish this one, and I'll show you when it's done. One side of my book is done, so this is already round corner, this is still straight corner, so you can pick and choose which one you like. On this one you will see a little bit white, so this one actually gives you better color, but it looks nice. Both sides look very nice. My both sides are finished, book is finished, the corners are nice round, so the picture flows very nicely. I really like this fold, it turned out really nicely, so I'm happy with that. If you have any questions, let me know, and if you want to join my Facebook group, I will have a link below in the comments, and I will see you next time.